So first things first, we are going to go to Google Chrome or whichever browser that you are using, and then you are going to type anaconda.com because this is where we are going to download this app from. And then you will click enter, and now you're going to come to this site. You're going to pick this first one here because you want to check that carefully. So once you click here, you're going to come to this page where you'll find information about how you're going to, everything about Anaconda and stuff. But now I've seen this before. If you want to read it, you can read it, but I will proceed to download. So that's where you need to be. Click free download. You are going to be directed to this part here. And this part is where now you need to click get started. However, before you download, the first thing you need to do is to create an account. There are a couple of options, and the only thing you need is an email address or a Microsoft account or a GitHub account. So you can use two options. The first option is you're going to sign up manually. So you click here. And when you're going to do that, it means you're going to enter your details manually one by one. If you are signed in with your Google account, you can click here and you can proceed. And this is the option that I will use, and I will show you how to do it step by step. You can also click here for Microsoft account and here for GitHub. But now let's get back to the Google account. So I'll click here and it's going to take me to this page where I need to choose the account that I want to sign in with. If you have multiple accounts, of course, they're going to show here. But now, in my case, I have only one account, and make sure this account is signed in. So I'll click that. Then we can now proceed to the download part. There are a couple of options for different people because there are different types of operating systems out there and PCs. So in this case, I'm using a Windows PC. So I'm going to install Anaconda for Windows. But you might be having a Mac or maybe a Linux, and you are going to have to check that before you proceed to download. But in this case, I'll just come back here to Windows and select that. Now it is going to start downloading the file, and you can actually track the progress up here. So as you can see, it is showing me I have, that's 2 minutes. Yeah, so I will wait for those 2 minutes, and now I think it's done. So once it's done, I will click here to install. So for you, just click there. And then, of course, I will minimize this browser because we don't need it anymore. And now here we go. That is, yeah. So this is the first page for us to now install. You're going to click down here. It is written next. I hope you can see that. So you're going to bring your cursor all through here and then click here. And here we have a couple of license agreement. If you have the time, you can read. But honestly, so just, I'm going to agree, and it's going to ask you if this is for you or all users on your PC. If it's just you using one PC and there's one account, you can click there. Otherwise, if you have other users, you can make it accessible to all the others. So I'll choose just me and then next. This is a path where Anaconda is going to be saved and where everything else is going to work from. And you can change that by just clicking on that and then, yeah. So I think you can follow through this, but I don't need to change. So I will collapse it and then click next. At this stage, you're going to be asked, do you want to create the shortcuts? Yes, I need the shortcuts. So I will install with the shortcuts right here. And yeah, that's the installation process. But this one takes some time depending on the speed of your PC. And you're going to have to be patient. Once it's done, you will simply come down here and then click next. And yeah, so you have Anaconda on your PC. So you're going to click next, and I will uncheck these two because I don't think I need that at the moment. Then after that, I will click finish. Yeah, and now Anaconda is on our PC. Now I want to create a shortcut, and this is not part of the installation process. I will right click, pin to taskbar, so it's down here. And now every time I will be clicking right there, and I can always access Anaconda. Now, we have this, and now we can proceed to sign in, which is just simple, click sign in.